Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Sweat Oversized Full Zip Hoodie and Straight Jeans by Uniqlo and JW Anderson in the blue colorway. For Spring/Summer 2025, Uniqlo and JW Anderson linked up once again with a modern take to the preppy everyday outfit, taking on staples like Oxford shirts, jeans, hoodies, polo shirts, and accessories like neckties, caps, and Uniqlo bags. But we're not here for the whole collection, so let's get right into the jeans and hoodie. This is what I call straight to the point. It's a simple mid-weight, mid-blue, straight fit piece of denim. I love its classic wash that works across all seasons, not too dark, but not a light wash either. Subtle details like JWA branding on the bleached back pocket, behind the waistband and buttons are a nice touch. I appreciate the extra room in its mid-rise and a cool relaxed fit that also sits well on sneakers and boots. Quick visual comparison to my APC Petite Standard jean, this pair is a low rise and a more slim fit. It costs £39.90 and I'm wearing a 32 waist and they come in 32 length as standard. I'm 6'1" and weigh 91 kilograms or 200 pounds if that helps. Now onto the hoodies. Yes, I went 2 pairs minimum on these. I picked up the black pair as well. Like his name suggests, it's a roomy oversized fit. I would probably go down a size if you want a standard or slim fit. It features 2 side internal and external pockets, JWA branding on the full zip, embroidered patch on the sleeve, and it also has metallic aglets on the hood drawstrings. I like the retro touches like the more elasticated ribbon, and the use of heavyweight materials feels extra cozy. I'm wearing a size medium in this video, and as usual purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, drop me a like and comment J to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick anything up in this JWA Uniqlo collection? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.